my birthday. I wonder if my daughter remembers.
Hello, my dear. It's been so long since I've seen you. I really wish you could come over and we could spend some time together today.
I'm so sorry, Mother. I won't be able to come today. I'm on a flight and won't be back until tomorrow.
Just breathe, my love. You can do this.
We are almost there.
Congratulations! It's a healthy white female kitten. She looks just like you.
I was expecting a son. I don't like daughters.
This is not my fault.
How can you just walk away and leave us?
Get away from me.
Don't worry, my little one. I will be both your mother and your father. You are all I have left in this life.
You can start today. Begin with the kitchen work.
You're gonna do great, my little star. I love you. Look at that poor cat. Her clothes are so torn.
She looks absolutely ridiculous.
It's all right, my dear. I'm here. Please eat something, my dear.
Oh, wow! It's beautiful! Mama, I want to go to the amusement park.
We're too high up. I want to get off. This is so much fun. Look, we're flying. This is so fun.
So, you've decided to leave me then?
Don't worry, Mother.
I'll check on you every few days.
Oh, goodbye.
It's Mother's birthday.
Mom. Oh, my dear.
I could never leave you, Mom. I could never forget you.